following is Fall 2008 Math 115 Department Final, Version 3, number 28, 29, and 30. Number 28, we will simplify this polynomial by this binomial. Now, seems like both of them is factorable. Let's try to factorize them. The top one, x and x, different sign is plus minus. What times what is 16, but the difference is 6. 8 and 2, right? 8 and 2 with 8 on the negative side. And at the bottom, if you remember, that's a difference of squares, which then I will make x plus 2, x minus 2, right? And then you can see that x plus 2 cancel, therefore we get x minus 8 over x minus 2. The answer is D. Okay. Now, number 29, we have now simplified the product of two rational expression. What we will do, we will factorize. Seems like the first rational expression there is already in simplest form, and then we will factorize the second rational expression. Now the top one is trinomial, so we will try to factorize that using a trinomial method. This is x and x, right? And then because the second sign is negative, the sign must be different here. And then what times what gives us 18, but the difference is 7. It's 9 and 2, right? But because we need negative 7, we put 9 on the negative side and the 2 on the positive. Okay, now at the bottom it's two terms, but if we do the common factor, greatest common factor, we take the x out, we have x plus 2 left inside. Now notice that then I can cancel the x squared with x because it's multiplication in between, right? This becomes 1, this becomes x. Okay, x plus 2 I can also cancel with this x plus 2, right? Both of them 1, and x minus 9 with this x minus 9. On the top I will have x, at the bottom I have 1, which is x. So the final answer is A. Okay. Number 30. Simplify the sum of these two rational expression. Notice that they don't have common denominator. Let's do the common denominator first. The common denominator of x plus 9 and x minus 9 is the product of those two, x plus 9, x minus 9. Now, on the first expression, originally we have 4 over x plus 9, but because you multiply the denominator by x minus 9, I should do likewise on the top to make it equivalent rational expression. For the second term, very similar. I had originally have 3 over x minus 9, but on the denominator right now I have extra new factor x plus 9. It means from here to there I multiply by x plus 9, right? Therefore on the top I will also multiply by x plus 9. Now the reason I need to have common denominator is because I want to put them together. Remember that we cannot add fractions unless they have common denominator. Now this is the principle we use again here. Now on the top, let me copy them down so that we don't lose track. Then from here I copy the denominator again, and on the top I will do distribution. Which, if I combine like terms on the top, I'll get 4x plus 3x, that's 7x, and then negative 36 plus 27, that's negative 9. Now at the bottom I have x plus 9, x minus 9. Notice that on the top that's already simple, and I cannot factorize further. At the bottom, therefore nothing to cancel with the top, right? Now if I repair the bottom, just go one little step further, I will FOIL this. That will give me x squared minus 81. Remember, that's a difference of squares, right? If you FOIL that, you will get the square root of the first term minus the square of the second term. That gives us answer A. Okay, now this is from Fall 2008 Math 115 Department Final version 3, number 28, 29, and 30.